strong, so strong. My hair could lift a car off a baby if it had to. Absolutely. Well, I'd like to hear.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Harford County in northern Maryland, eastern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was near BOWLEYS quarters, or near Middle River, and was moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include PERRYMAN, ABERDEEN. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, and avoid windows. If outdoors or in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. As a last resort, either park and stay in your vehicle, or abandon your vehicle and lay flat in a low spot. Repeating, the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Harford County in northern Maryland, eastern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.